Hello students, now discuss about next topic, excretions. Already I told you the circulation topics, the circulation external structure of heart, internal structure of heart, cardiac cycles, cardiac output, double circulations, next differences between the arteries and veins, this circulatory disorders, they completed. The next now discuss about excretion. So what is the excretions? So in our bodies, number of metabolic activities. In our bodies, number of metabolic activities. So number of metabolic activities, the glucose metabolism, protein metabolism, lipid metabolisms. So metabolisms, all different type of the metabolic activities, the final products, nitrogenous waste materials in the formation. Final products, nitrogenous waste materials is formation. So the formation of nitrogenous waste materials immediately sending out the body. Immediately sending out the bodies. Through the bodies, the different type of the excretory organs. Through the different type of the excretory organs, different type of the animals. So if the inside the bodies, the nitrogenous waste materials, the formations, the toxins formations cannot exceed the nitrogenous waste materials to the outside the bodies. Elimination of the nitrogenous waste materials. So inside the bodies, the accumulation of the nitrogenous waste materials, the toxins, then after dead the animals. So enemy the taking the food materials in importance, but elimination of the nitrogenous waste materials also important. So the separation to the elimination is called excretion. Separation to the elimination is called excretion. Which type of materials elimination? Nitrogenous waste materials. Nitrogenous type of the waste materials, separation to the elimination body. Separation to the elimination to the body is called excretion. So excretion is the all animals, the animal kingdoms, all animals they cannot same type of the excretory organs, cannot same type of the excretory materials they excrete. Different type of the excretory materials excretes, different type of the excretory organs in the animal kingdoms. So one phylum of the animals, no type of the excretory organs is present in the animal kingdoms. The protozoa to mammals. This is the three types based on the excretory materials excretes based on the three types. The first one is the ammonitalism, ureotelism, uricotelism. So what is the ammonitalism? So nitrogenous waste materials, chief nitrogenous waste materials elimination. So elimination of the chief nitrogenous waste materials exceeds the ammonia is called ammonitalism. So ammonotelic animals or excretory materials exceeds is called ammonitalism. So what is the ammonitalism? So elimination of chief nitrogenous waste materials, excretory materials exceeds the ammonia is called ammonotelic animals. Excretory materials exceeds the process in ammonia is called ammonitalism. So ammonitalism. So ammonia, formation of ammonia. The formation of ammonia, amino acids metabolism. So amino acids, deamination of the amino acids. Deamination of amino acids. Deamination of amino acids. Deamination of amino acids in liver. The ammonia, how is the formation of ammonia in our bodies? Different type of metabolic activities. So first of all, deamination of amino acids. Deamination of amino acids in liver, the formation of the ammonia. Ammonia is the highly toxic natures. The ammonia. So ammonia is the easily soluble in waters. Ammonia plus water gives rise to ammonium hydroxide. So ammonium hydroxide is converted. So highly toxic nature, ammonia is the highly toxic nature dissolved in waters, the formation of ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxides easily is solubles, they dissolved in waters, easily soluble or dissolved in waters ammonia. So examples, ammonitalism examples, all aquatic animals, all aquatic animals, all aquatic animals, all aquatic animals. Ammonitalism. So once again I repeat, what is the ammonitalism? So elimination of chief nitrogenous waste materials exceeds the animals is called ammonitalic animals. The process of ammonia exceeds the excretory materials is called ammonitalism. The process of excretory materials exceeds the process of nitrogenous waste materials or ammonia exceeds the process of ammonitalism. So how is the formation of ammonia? Deamination of amino acids. Deamination of amino acids in livers. So the ammonia is formations in the livers. So ammonia is the highly toxic natures. The releases in the inside releases in waters immediately they dissolved in the waters the ammonia plus waters the ammonium hydroxide. So ammonium hydroxide formations, ammonia excretory materials exceeds which type of animals? Aquatic animals. Which type of animals? All aquatic animals. So all aquatic animals, protozoa to mammals all aquatic animals, mostly aquatic animals ammonia excretory materials excretes. The next second one, ureotelism. So ureotelism, elimination, separation to the eliminations nitrogenous waste materials exceeds the urea is called ureotelism. The separation to the elimination of the nitrogenous waste materials excretory materials exceeds form of exceeds the urea is called ureotelism. Urea excretory materials exceeds urea is called ureotelism. So urea and the formation of urea in livers which cycles? Ornithine cycles. Ornithine cycle. So ornithine cycle, through the ornithine cycles in livers the urea is formations, nitrogenous waste materials in the formation of urea excretory materials exceeds is called ureotelism. So ureotelism examples, so molluscans, amphibians, all mollusks, not only all, only few of the molluscans, amphibians and mammals in the human beings also mammals. Human beings which type of excretory materials excretes? Urea type of excretory materials excretes. So urea, how is the formation of urea? So ornithine cycle, through the ornithine cycle. So the metabolic activities, different type of the metabolic activities. So different type of the metabolic ornithine. So ornithine is the, so ornithines they enter into the, so citrulline. So the aspartic acids, the citrulines, arginines, they finally urea is formations in the liver. In the livers, the formation of urea immediately sending out the bodies. So the next third one, ureotelism. So ureotelism, the separation to the elimination of the nitrogenous waste materials. Separation to the elimination of nitrogenous waste materials, uric acid. So separation to the elimination of the nitrogenous waste materials, uric acid. This type of the animals ureotelic animals. The process of excretory materials excretes uric acid is called ureotelism. Which type of animals in the ureotelic animals? So examples, reptiles, aves and insects. The scarcity of water, the desert animals or scarcity of waters animals excretory materials exceeds the uric acid. So this is also the low toxic natures. The low toxic natures 100 reds, the low toxic nature, then ammonia is the urea. The low toxic natures, only the low toxic and toxic natures in the uric acid. So uric acid is the guano, the solid. So this is the solid material, semi solid. The uric acid is the semi solid, the uric acid guano. The uric acid excretory material excrete the boards is called guano. The boards